Rude. Okay. Hey there. I'm Lori. Thanks for joining me today. I am going to unbox a new hair tool. That's right. I'm going to unbox a brand new blow dryer. That's why my hair is wet. I'm super excited for this blow dryer. If you are new to my channel, I love hair, all things hair. I love hair products. I love hair color, obviously. I love unboxing things, and I also love just like making people laugh and talking about stuff. So if that sounds good to you, why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If it's too early in the relationship, I totally get it. It's fine. It's fine. But yeah, okay, let's move on to the product. This right here. This is from Aria Beauty, which is a Canadian company. It's actually based out of Vancouver, which is really neat. All of their hair tools are designed by hairstylists, and they put a lot of science behind their products. I have a few of their products now. I have a flat iron, I have a straightening brush, and now I have a blow dryer. This is beautiful packaging. It's like, as you can tell, a little bit shiny. So if you are a sucker for good packaging like I am, and a lot of my friends are, Aria Beauty, I'm telling you. So let's open this up together. Ooh. So it has the two nozzles here. So this specific blow dryer of theirs is the infrared blow dryer with Ionic technology, which means that this blow dryer is going to infuse the hair with moisture, essentially, and that's going to speed up your blow dry time, and it's going to add instant softness to the hair, and it's also going to be a very gentle heat because of the infrared technology. I'm going to read the back of the box here for you. So it says, invisible infrared works with negative ions to save up to 40% drying time. Low wave infrared heat works to warm the hair indirectly from the inside out, preventing frizz and damage while creating incredible shine. Moisture inside the hair shaft is drawn outward to sit on the surface of the hair, maximizing softness instantly. Recommended use for any hair type. So any hair you have, if you have fine hair, coarse hair, curly hair, straight hair, you can use this blow dryer. It has productive infrared heat, which infuses the hair with moisture while decreasing drying time. Negative ions eliminate frizz and remove buildup. Lightweight and ergonomic. Lightweight and ergonomic. 2 temperature settings plus a cool shot. Ergonomic comfort hold handle, which I'm excited for. Ultra long cord, and a 1-year warranty. So that's all the good stuff. Let's get into it. I am so obsessed with this. It's like, so the nozzle, so when you want your hair like nice and straight, and then they have like a tapered one as well, which I assume would be really good for like if you're using it with a round brush, because it would sort of help to go along the curve. First of all, it has one of these things where you can like wrap it around the cord for when the cord is not in use. The cord is thick. It's not a thin cord like some blow dryers I've seen where the cord is like super thin. Look at that cord. That's a heavy duty cord. Oh, it's got this type of plug. This one here. So if you ever plug in one of these types of plugs and it doesn't turn on, try these buttons and then it should work, okay? Look at that. It's not huge. It is very light. It feels nice. Look at that gold. Shiny. It says Aria Beauty. Look at that. It is a beautiful blow dryer. Now let's see if it works. I should tell you, this is not a sponsored video. I adore Aria products. The salon that I work at, we sell Aria beauty products. We don't have blow dryers in, so I just ordered this off of the Aria site. But I'm telling you, their tools are amazing. Okay, it turns on. Okay. So this is the speed. Okay, so we're like middle. That's the highest speed. And then let's do temperature. Oh, we gotta have it on to feel the temperature. Okay. So that's regular temp. That is not hot and not cold. It's almost got like a warmer middle and a cooler outer. And now I put it on the heat level, or the hotter setting. So yeah, it gets warm for sure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay. And then the cool shot. So sometimes when you press the cool shot, it doesn't cool off like instantly, but there it goes. It's like getting cooler. Oh, that's so cool. Yes. Oh yeah, now it's cool. Okay. All right. Turn that off for a second so I can get my hair prepped. So, I just want to test out the blow dryer. I don't want to do like a bunch of different things. I want to be able to test this and see how it works and how it feels. The first thing is this. This is the Oi all-in-one milk. I love this stuff. You can use it as a detangler, but it's also a heat protector. And when you use heat, you need protection. I'm going to use the Oi all-in-one milk as my heat protector and detangler. I had run out of this, so I had to get some at the salon. But what's nice about it is, as you can see, my hair is super curly, and it's really hard to get a brush through it. But once you put the Oi all-in-one milk in, it's so easy to brush. Let's turn it on to the high setting of speed and the high heat setting. Bring it closer. Oh, hold on, look. Can you see the infrared technology in there? Woo! I'll turn it off. See? Off. Oh. Okay, let's put this nozzle on here. Okay, so yeah, let's try it with a nozzle. Ooh, fancy. And I just realized I haven't even sectioned my hair. I can't can't believe how freaking dry that is already. See what happens on this side. I need to figure out the best way to like utilize this nozzle. Yeah, it's toasty. I am freaking loving this! Okay, let's do the back. Should we brush it? To the cooler setting now. I cannot tell you how crazy fast that felt. And my hair is so soft and I haven't done anything except blow dry it with my regular product. Now I could go over this with the flat iron, obviously, if I wanted it to be flatter, but I don't have the energy to do that. So I'm just gonna leave it like this and I'm probably gonna touch it all day. Like, look at that. I am obsessed with this. Okay. If you are interested in Aria Beauty products, go check out their website. They have so many cool things. They have mini blow dryers that are in really cool designs, like a mermaid one. I really love that one. And they have things like magnetic eyelashes. I ordered these and I'm so excited to try them out. I'm really, really bad at eyeliner, so it could go great, it could go bad. We don't know. And I also got a holder for my flat iron. So they have so many things and just check them out. I am going to do more videos with these things that I ordered, and you'll have to stay tuned for those. So if you want to see them, go ahead, click that subscribe button. Maybe we're cool enough now for you to do that. I don't know. If not, that's still cool. Give this video a like if you liked it, and I will get you on the flip side.